Dear children, let us continue the chapter Algebraic Expressions and Identities. Now let us continue the exercise 5 of the chapter. The second main question, use the identity x plus a into x plus b equals x square plus a plus b into x plus ab to find the following product. The first one is x plus 3 into x plus 7. Now you write the identity x plus 3 into, write the identity x plus a into x plus b equals x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. X square plus a plus b into x plus ab, and you write x plus 3 into x plus 7. X plus 3 into x plus 7. In the place of x, there is x only. And in the place of a, 3 is there. In the place of b, 7 is there. Now you substitute the values of x, a and b. So you write x square plus a plus b means 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 into x. AB means 3 into 7. 3 into 7, that equals x square plus 3 plus 7 is 10x plus 21. Therefore, you got that x plus 3 into x plus 7 equals x square plus 10x plus 21. Next, second one. 4x plus 5 into 4x plus 1. 4x plus 5 into 4x plus 1. Then you write the identity x plus a into x plus b. X plus a into x plus b equals x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. In the place of x, there is 4x, and in the place of a, 5 is there. In the place of b, 1 is there. Now you write the product of 4x plus 5 into 4x plus 5 into 4x plus 1 equals, and you write 4x whole square. X square means 4x whole square plus a plus b is 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1, x is 4x plus ab is 5 into 1. Then you take 4x plus 5 into 4x plus 1 equals 4x whole square. 4 square is 16. 16x square plus 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 fours are 24x. Plus 5 into 1 is 5. So we got that the product of 4x plus 5 and 4x plus 1 is 16x square plus 24x plus 5. Next you take the third one. Third one is 4x minus 1. 4x minus 5, not 1. 4x minus 5 into 4x minus 1. 4x minus 1. You can write it in the form of x plus a into x plus b. That is 4x plus minus 5 into 4x plus minus 1. Then you write the identity x plus a into x plus b. X plus a into x plus b equals x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Then you write 4x plus minus 5 into 4x plus minus 1 equals, that equals x square is 4x whole square, 4x whole square plus a plus b means minus 5 and minus 1, sum of minus 5 and minus 1, and x is 4x plus a is minus 5, b is minus 1. Then you write 4x whole square is 16x square, and sum of minus 5 and minus 1 is minus 6. Minus 6 4s are 6 4s are 24. It is minus 24x, and product of minus 5 and minus 1 is plus 5. Therefore, you write 4x minus 5 into 4x minus 1 is 16x square minus 24x plus 5. The fourth one, you take 4x plus 5 into 4x minus 1. 4x plus 5 into 4x minus 1. Write the identity x plus a into x plus b, that equals x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Here you can write this 4x plus 5 into 4x minus 1 is 4x plus minus 1. You got it in the form of x plus a into x plus b. Then you write that x plus a is 4x plus 5, x plus b is 4x plus minus 1. Then you write x square means square of 4x, 4x whole square, plus a plus b is 5 minus 1 into x, x is 4x, plus ab is 5 into minus 1. 5 into minus 1 you can write. You can also write like this way. Then that equals 4x plus 5 into 4x minus 1 equals 4x whole square is 16x square. 16x square. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 4s are 16. 16x. 5 1s are 5, and 5 into minus 1 it is. So you write minus 5. Therefore, the product of 4x plus 5 and 4x minus 1 is 16x square plus 16x minus 5. Then you take the fifth one. 2x plus 2y, 2x plus 5y into 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 5y into 2x plus 3y. Then you write the identity x plus a into x plus b. First terms are same, that is 2x 2x. So use the identity x plus a into x plus b. X plus a into x plus b equals x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Then 2x plus 5y into 2x plus 3y is 2x whole square. In the place of x, 2x is there. The place of x, 2x is there. So you write 2x whole square plus a plus b. A plus b means 5y plus 3y. 5y plus 3y into x. X means x is 2x plus ab means 5y into 3y. 5y into 3y. In the place of a, 5y is there. In the place of b, 3y is there. ab is 5y into 3y. Now you write 2x plus 5y into 2x plus 3y equals 2x whole square. You will get 4x square plus here 5y plus 3y is 8y. 8y into 2x. 8 2s are 16. Or one more step you can have. What is the sum of 5y and 3y is 8y. into 2x plus the product of this 5y and 3y is 5 3s are 15 and y into y is y square. Next you write that equals 4x square plus 8 2s are 16 yx, that is xy, plus 15 y square. Then the product of 2x plus 5y into 2x plus 3y is 4x square plus 16xy plus 15y square. Then sixth one, 2a square 9, 2a square 9 into 2a square plus 5. 2a square plus 9 into 2a square plus 5. Then you write the identity. Write the identity x plus a into x plus b equals x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Then you write 2a square plus 9 into 2a square plus 5 equals x square is 2a square whole square plus 9 plus 5. A plus b is 9 plus 5. X is 2a square plus ab is 9 into 5. That equals 2a square plus 9 into 2a square plus 5. 2a square whole square is 4a power 4. 2a square into 2a square, that is 4a power 4 plus 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 2s are 28 a square plus 9 5s are 45. Therefore, the product of 2a square plus 9, 2a square plus 5 is 4a power 4 plus 28a square plus 45. Then seventh one, take the seventh one, xyz minus 4 into xyz minus 2. xyz minus 4 into xyz minus 2, and you express this in the form of x plus a into x plus b. So it is xyz plus minus 4 xyz plus minus 4 into xyz plus minus 2. Then you write the identity x plus a into x plus b equals x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Then you write xyz plus minus 4 xyz plus minus 2 equals x square. X square means xyz whole square. In the place of x, xyz is there, plus a is minus 4 minus 2 into x. X is xyz plus a is minus 4 into minus 2. Then you will get xyz minus 4 into xyz minus 2 equals x square y square z square. Sum of minus 4 and minus 2 is minus 6 xyz plus 8. xyz minus 4 into xyz minus 2 equals x square y square z square minus 6xyz plus 8. Now the third main, find the following squares by using the identities. The first one is b minus 7 whole square. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. So you can use the identity a minus b whole square equals a square minus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole power 2 equals a power 2 minus 2ab plus b power 2. Then you write b minus 7 whole square. In the place of a, b is there. In the place of b, 7 is there. So you write a square means b square, the square of the first term, minus 2 into ab, that is 2 into first term into second term, minus 2 into b into 7, plus square of the second term, b square, that is 7 square. So you got b minus 7 whole square equals b square 7 2s are minus 14b plus 7 square is 49. b square minus 14b plus 49 you got. Then you take the second one. Second one is xy plus 3z whole square. xy plus 3z whole power 2. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. You can use the identity a plus b whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. Write the identity a plus b whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square, and you write xy plus 3z whole square equals a square is xy whole square plus 2 into a is xy, b is 3z plus b square, that is 3z whole square. Then you write xy plus 3z whole square equals xy whole square. xy whole square is x square y square plus 2 3s are 6, x into y into z is xyz, right? xyz. 2xy into 3z is 3xyz. Now 3z whole square. 3z whole square is 9z square. 3z into 3z, that is 9z whole square. Next you take the third one. Third one is 6x square minus 5y whole square. It is in the form of a minus b whole power 2. a minus b whole square. So you write the identity a minus b whole square equals a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then you write 6x square minus 5y whole square. In the place of a, there is 6x square. In the place of b, there is 5y. Now you write a square is, there is the square of the first term, square of 6x square, that is 6x square whole square, minus 2 you write 2 only, into a is 6x square. So you write 6x square, b is 5y, right? 5y plus b square is 5y whole square. Then you write 6x square minus 5y whole square is 6x square whole square is 36x power 4. 6x square whole square is 36x power 4 minus 2 6 are 12, 12 5 are 60, right? 60, and x square into y is x square y. So you can write 2 6 are 12, 12 5 are 60, 60 x square y plus 5y whole square is 25 y square. 5 square is 25, y square you got. Therefore, the expansion of 6x square minus 5y whole square equals 36x power 4 minus 60x square y plus 25y square. Then you take the fourth one. Fourth one is 2 by 3 m plus 3 by 2 n whole power 2. And for this square also you can use the identity a plus b the whole square. It is in the form of a plus b the whole square. A plus b whole square equals, right, a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Then you write 2 by 3m plus 3 by 2 n whole square equals a square. A square is square of the first term. 2 by 3m whole square plus 2 into a is 2 by 3m, b is 3 by 2 n plus b square is 3 by 2 n whole square. 3 by 2 n whole square, that equals 2 by 3 m whole square is 2 by 3 whole square is 4 by 9 m square. 4 by 9 m square plus 2 into 2 by 3 into 3 by 2, 3 cancels, 2 also cancels. So what is remaining here? 2 is remaining, and m into n is mn. So you got 2 mn plus 3 by 2 n whole square. 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4. So you got 9 by 4 n square. Therefore, the expansion of 2 by 3m plus 3 by 2n whole square is 4 by 9m square plus 2mn plus 9 by 4 n square. 9n square by 4. Next you take the fifth one, 0.4p minus 0.5q whole square equals. This is in the form of a minus b the whole square. So you write the identity a minus b whole power 2 equals whole square equals a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Then you write 0.4p minus 0.5q whole square equals a square. Here in the place of a, 0.4p is there. In the place of b, 0.5q is there. Then it is 0.4p whole square minus 2 into 0.4p into 0.5q plus 0.5q whole square. So you write 0.4p minus 0.5q whole square equals 0.4p whole square is 0.16. 0.4 into 0.4, you will get 0.16 p square. Because 4 square is 16, 0.4 means here the decimal point is after 1 digit. So in its square, the decimal point must be after 2 digits. Then the product of 2 into 0.4p into 0.5q. 2 4s are 8, 8 5s are 40, and here decimal points 1 plus 1 you will get 2. So it becomes minus 0.40. 0.40 p q plus 0.5 whole square is 5 square is 25, 0.5 whole square is 0.25 q square. So the expansion of 0.4p minus 0.5q whole square is 0.16p square minus 0.40pq plus 0.25q square. Next you take 2xy plus 5y whole square, that is the sixth one. Two xy plus 5y whole square. Now you can use the identity a plus b whole square. It is in the form of a plus b. So you write a plus b whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Then you write 2xy plus 5y whole square equals a square is 2xy whole square plus 2 into a is 2xy, b is 5y plus b is 5y whole square. 5y whole square. So 2xy whole square plus 2xy into 2 into 2xy into 5y, that is 2ab, and b square is 5y whole square, that is 2xy plus 5y whole square equals. So 2xy whole square is square of 2 is 4 x square y square plus 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20 x, y into y is y square plus 5 square is 25, y square is y square, that is 25 y square. So you got the answer 4x square y square plus 20 xy square plus 25 y square. In this way, the third main is completed.